So today we are going to draw the on the next page and then draw by using AutoCAD. So in this drawing the dimensions are not given to you. So we'll start from beginning, assuming the nut and bolt. So we'll assume the nut and bolt M28 cross 6. So what is the meaning of this? M stands for metric, D stands for the major diameter, and 6 stands for pitch. So in the this is in a metric thread, the dimensions and formulas are given here. So this 28 stands for major diameter, and this is a major diameter, and the minor diameter is the thread, and there is a formula. So here you can write this formula for the pitch, and so that is capital D minus small d by 2 is the pitch, and this is 6. So if it is pitch is given, we can draw, or we can, if the formula is not, it is unknown, we can use another formula, or we can assume the dimensions. So we start from assuming the dimensions. So here the example, so we assume M28 6. So major diameter capital D is 28, that is called major diameter, pitch is 6, minor diameter. We can use this formula, or this is 0.85 times the major diameter. W, the distance between two faces of the bolt head thickness is given by this formula. So these formulas are standard for the metric threads, or it is given to you. So we start drawing this. So I will paste it in AutoCAD, so that no need to open it again, and I will paste it here. Okay, and then I will give the command. So when you start the AutoCAD, at the beginning give the command Z enter A enter. This is a zoom view, all zoom view, so we can zoom it again to see this, and we will draw here with these dimensions. Now when you start the AutoCAD, we need to give first command zoom and enter and A enter. Now we need to check the snap gridding is on or off. Yeah, I need this on. Snap setting, I need snap setting, snap polar object to snap, select all. Okay, now polar on off, I need it whenever I want horizontal and vertical lines. So these are three importance. So I will make it on now. Now next is this property, the line color, it is bilayer. Line thickness, it is not useful in the AutoCAD. When you want to print this thickness, we need to select, and the line types. So there are three line types only. So third is a line type. You can see here line types, and there are three lines. I need a dash line, hidden line, and center line. So I will click on here, load, and click anywhere and hit C for center line. Okay, and then again load, and H here, right here, hidden H, and select this. Okay, so these two lines should be there. It is important everywhere. Now I will draw the two lines, horizontal and vertical. So click the line command and click anywhere, and check the here length 200 maximum color, because my diameter is 28 or maximum 100. So 200 line is okay. Now I will click it here, enter. Now I will draw another. So to repeat the command, press enter, and I will draw another line here. Okay, now these are the center lines. So I will draw the circle of diameter 42. You can see here W. So circle at the center line and make it 42, means 21 radius. And now I will draw the hexagon. So click it here, polygon, and click number of sides 6 radii. It is very important, always I am telling you. And now center, read there, center of the polygon here. And now Your polygon will be inside the circle, then I. If it's polygon outside the circle, then C. So by default is I. I will select C and enter. And already you know the dimension. If you want corner, click it here. If you want face edge, you can click it here. Okay, so the dimension is already there. So now I will draw another horizontal line from here, any distance between this diagram. So this is a top view or front view. Okay, so if you want, you can take it little down. So it is up to you. No need of any distance. I will make a horizontal line from here to here. This is for nut thickness. You can see here. This is a bolt head thickness 2D by 3. So I will offset this horizontal line down. So before that, a bolt length 90. So 90, I will offset this line down 90. So click on this line, offset. Offset distance is 90 for bolt length. Enter. This is my whole drawing. So repeat command, enter. Yeah, I didn't completed that. Offset. The distance is 90. Enter. This line you need to click it down. Yes. Now this is the total. Yes. Now, so this is a bolt length. Okay, so there is a threaded part. Threaded length is 45 from the bottom. So I will offset this line 45 up. So this line offset 45, enter, this line up. So this is, now this is a threaded part. Now I will offset this line. Yes, first this line. This is a thickness of the bolt head thickness. Bolt head thickness. So I will offset that bolt head thickness 18.6. So click here. Write the distance 23.8 bolt head thickness. Enter and down. Click down. Bolt head, and in this part there is a nut. So nut thickness. So I will make any line. So any line from here to here, and I will offset this line as a nut thickness. So click on nut thickness, and nut thickness is, you can see nut thickness is 24.5. Enter. Yes. Now this line that is, now I'm going to draw this part, this line and this line. Okay, that is a bolt part. So now I'll offset the center line half of the dia D. So capital D is 28, means I will offset this to 14 here, 14 here, and then I will use the trim command. Okay, so click on offset, write 14, enter, this line here and this line here. So I will use the trim. First I will select this line, because bolt, where is the bolt, and this line, and starting here in between, this is a bolt. So I will trim it. So I selected and trim the outside part. So I don't want here, don't want here, don't want this, don't want this, don't want this, this. See, this is the bolt. Okay, and so what is the length I assume for that is, I will check, let's just check, it is a 90. Yes, true. Now this length I need to project the line down, and I will use the color by layer, or first I will make these two lines as a center line, select these two lines and make it here center line, and right click and click property, and I will make a thickness line type scale 0.5. It's look good. See, I will exit it. Now I will project this line down by using a construction line. So click on yellow, and this is a construction line, use and throw. So click this construction line and make the ortho on, make sure the ortho on, and make it zoom. So whatever the point I see, 4 points, I need to project it down. So here and this line, enter. To repeat command, enter. This edge corner I can see, enter, enter. This corner I can see, enter from top. This corner I can see from top. Now your thickness, sorry, your nut. Now I can use the trim command to keep the nut and bolt head. So this is a nut here. This is a nut here. I can trim that, and I will put in that last two yellow lines. And here also this is a bolt head. I will cut these two lines between these two yellow lines. So I will select these two, and I will select this nut, and they use trim command, trim, and then part I don't want, I will click it there, say. Now this part also I want this line on the nut and bolt head. So these two yellow lines I will click with, I will trim with the nut and bolt. So select these two lines and click on trim and select it here. I don't want inside, yes, and here, here, and here. See, oh, this I remaining. So trim it, a quick trim. No, not quick trim. Select this and select this, because again you have to click so many times up. Now here. Now this is the yellow lines. I don't need to turn in by layer. Select this, and make it here by layer. Now this construction line I thrown, and I make this nut and bolt here. So now, so we will draw the threaded part. So threaded part is here. So starting from this, threads are starting from this and ending here. So that this line is a thread run out. And now this line is inside and this line is inside. That is a distance of pitch. So I have the small d, and I can offset this half line here and half line here, and I will cut only for this in between these two. Okay, so what is this small d? Small d is the minor diameter, and it is 18.67. No, small d is 23.8. So I need to offset this center line half of that. So click on this offset, and half of 23.8 is 11.8. 11.9, sorry, 998, and 11, 11, 22, 23, enter. This line here and this line again here, escape. Now I will cut these two lines between the threaded length. Threaded length is this and this. Select this and select these two lines, and which are the bilayer line. I want that, and click on trim and select outside here. Here I don't want, here I don't want, and this. See, this is a threaded line. Also, I will cut this threaded line outside. I don't want. Now chamfer and third ran out. Chamfer is a 45 chamfer. So 45 angle, and what is the length? So when you want chamfer, you need two length. If you click on the chamfer, see here, chamfer, and this is fillet. So chamfer means you can see here. You need two length, one and two, or you need a angle and one length. So triangle, how you can draw triangle? If you have the two lines, then you can join third by two end point. So like this chamfer. So I have here angle and length. Teacher, where is length? This is the length from this point to this point. So I will click on chamfer, and read here. Select first line. No, undo polyline, distance, angle. What you have? Angle. So I will type angle A, enter. Now it will ask, select the chamfer length, first length from this point to this point. Okay, and what is angle? 45. Enter. And select this line and select this line. Repeat command here. This line and this line. See, and now I will draw the horizontal line here. So this is again, I need to change, this is important, so it is a bilayer. Now this threaded length inside the nut I can't see, so I need to trim these lines. So you can select and directly, because there is no already intersection, so inside nut I don't want this line, yes, and inside nut I don't want this line. See, here why it is cutted here from here, control Z. Yes, so in between these two lines I need to cut it. So I need to select these two lines and this threaded length, and then trim inside, then trim, and the part you don't want, this is a inside and this is a long length. Yes, so threaded length is not available inside the nut, I can't see that. Also the bolt length I can't see inside, so I will click it here, and this I don't want here, this I don't want. These two lines are for face. If you see from the top, these two corners, these two lines, like here. These two lines are for this corner if you see from top. Now almost done. Chamfer is done. Now thread run out. I will draw from here thread run out. And what is the angle? So I will click the line, click it here, and I need, yeah, so see again. So I need to change the bilayer, and I need to make it ortho off so that I can see the inclined line. So click line and click it here. See, I need like this. This is with a vertical 30 degree, like this, means this angle is 60. Yeah, Hannah, you can click it here, or give the command at the rate shift to at the rate 10 angle 45. Sorry, 60. 30 with vertical means horizontal 60. Enter. Here I got the line. Now same way I can draw, or I can make a mirror. So click it here, click this line, enter, and select the mirror as a center line, and enter. Then I can use the trim command. Trim this, colors. Now see, this run out is done. Now the most important part is the circle here, arc here. So how I can draw the arc, it is very important. So if I see from the top, I can see this edge, this point. So I need to project it down. Okay, so it was there, but we will do it again, no problem. Change the color, line and draw construction line and ortho on and click it here and click it here. Again repeat command, enter, click it on this intersection and click it here. So these two yellow lines are very important to make the chamfer here. Okay, so I will change the color line by layer and now I will draw the line. This is a chamfer here like this. So I will make a ortho of. Now I need to draw like this. So angle is given 30. It is showing 34. Yeah, this is correct. I can click it here. It is showing 30. Or if your hand shake, then angle will change. So better give the command at the rate 10 any length angle 30. Now minus 30 because anti-clockwise from horizontal. The same way I will repeat this here, or there is another way. Now I will draw the horizontal line from here and ortho on and I will end it here. Okay, and now simply I can join from here to here. This is again 30-degree angle, so no need to do the calculation. This angle is 30, this angle is 30 because from 30 I did it here. So this part I will trim it, trim. Now yellow line class I need here down also, but no need. I can tell you later on. So yellow line I will delete it, and even I need to trim this, but later on. Now I need to draw the arc. I need to draw the arc from this point, then end it at this intersection and touching to this line at the center. So this is a single two lines. So if I want a center point of this line, so I should cut here. So click the command, cut, break at point, break and click it, select this line and click it here. Now you can see this is a single line. Okay, now same, this is a single line, long line. I need to break it. So click on modify, break, select this line and break it here. Again repeat the command, modify, break this line here because I have the center point already here, or I will break that also. For more clarity, I will break it this line here. Wrong. I need to break this line here. Control C now. I need to break it here. So click on modify, break, select this line and cut it here. Is it same? Now I can use the mirror or I can break it. So break. Select this line and here. Now I need to draw the arc starting from this point, touching to this at the mid and end here. So click on arc. There are so many types of arc you can see here. If you know the 3 points, select 3 point. If you know center, if you know angle, radius, then it is depends on whatever given. So here I have 3 points. I will click on 3 points. So starting point is this and touching to this line at the mid. See, this is a mid green color and then end here. So to repeat command again, enter, select it here, touch it here and ending here. Enter again. Here at the mid and here. Now I will use the trim command. Trim. This part I don't need. This part I don't need. Now this same way, this is finished now. Same way I need to draw here. So what I can do, I will copy this and paste it on this line. So from this line, I need to copy and paste it here and then make it mirror. Okay, reflection. So what I will do now, see here. So I will select this part, then this arc, and then this line. Everything is selected. And now I will copy with this base point and paste it here. And I will copy with this base point. I need this line also. Yes, and this is a base point. So right click, copy selection, and read here, select the base point. Base point is this. Now ortho off, and now see this part. Oh, one line I missed, no problem. Two lines I missed. Okay, I will repeat it again. Select this, and select this. Now I didn't miss anything line. So click on right click, copy selection, and base point is this. Now see, I will come down and I will paste it here. Yes, and escape. I don't want to paste it again. Now I will make it mirror this part. Select this line. This is not selected. This and this. There is a double line, so no problem. Now I will make it mirror, and the mirror is this line. And do you want to delete the original object? Yes, enter. Why it is not deleted? Control shade. Okay, select this, and make it mirror. Select the mirror line. This is the mirror line, and read here. Erase source object. Yes, enter. No, by default. Yeah, it was not paste. Control Z. We'll do it again, no problem. Select this, and select this. Make it mirror. Click on mirror and select the mirror line this, and here you can click, or you can say delete. Yes, now it is deleted. Okay, so might be there are two lines. I will delete this. Yeah, it is there. Yes, here. Oh, no need. Control Z, and there is a single line here, or if you keep it to, it is overlapping. So inside part I can't see this line, this line, this line. This is a center line, don't worry about that. This line, and this part. Yes, the diagram is finished. Okay, so now I will draw this another part here the same way. Ortho on. Now this line, see now what is remains same. This part remains same, this part remains same, this horizontal lines remains same as it is. Okay, then this also, this part remains same. So what I selected, see, the job is very easy. This line, then this line, this line also I need to keep it, the 4 lines. Here also down. Yes, I selected it here. Then circle, and now this is same here. I will copy it, copy with selection, and base point is this, and paste it here. No need projection or anything. See now, this part is remains same, and this is x-axis. Now what I will do, I will draw the hexagon and project it down. I will draw the hexagon and project it down. So project means construction line, yellow color, and click on construction line and make the ortho on. And yeah, before that, okay, no problem, it is same because there are two edges. Enter, enter. Before that, you need to draw a polygon. Enter, no problem, escape. Now I will change the body by layer, and here I will draw the polygon. Enter the number of sides, 6. Enter. This is a center point, intersection, and C option. Enter, and you can click it here. See now. So this is the same, but only I can see from two sides. So top two sides. So this I projected. So my nut head is this in between these two lines. Okay, so I will delete this, and I will keep only one line. Delete this, and here I will extend it. How many lines are there? Very small pieces are there. Yes, and here also lot of lines. Okay, no problem, we'll keep it as it is. So if this is a small, now I will turn it, make it, extend it up to here, this line up to here, and this end up to here. So now I will cut the line, yellow line between these two lines. So I will select this, and this, and the two yellow lines, and click trim. Inside, this is outside, outside, this is a nut thickness. As I copy from there, and here I do Control Z. This line I will trim it, and this line with this line, trim, and this part I don't need. So this is a yellow line, and this yellow line I will make it by layer. Yes. Class. Now if I see from the top, I can see this corner, so that will be a visible line from here to here. Escape, and again enter, from here to here. And now there is an arc. Select this line, it should be single, so I will break it, break at this point. Now see, this is a single line, and I will break this line, modify, break at this point. See now, same. So I will draw the arc, 3-point arc. Starting point is this, midpoint is this, and the end point is here. Repeat here, midpoint here, and end point. Now same way down, there is line missing, so I will use the projection, or is there, this is there, I can check it. Yes, this is the there, and it should be up to this point, and this point is up to go up, and it will come down, and it will show you the length. Now I can extend. There is another command, extend. See this line and this line, it is extended. Now I will break this line and break this line like above, and I will make the circle, or you can make it mirror like what we did last time. So this is the best. Break this line here, select this line, click break, and select the breaking point. Now you can see this is one line. So draw the arc, click on arc, starting point is this, midpoint is this, and end point is this. Repeat, starting here, mid here, and end here. Escape. Yes, class. What is remaining? Let me see the drawing. Yes, D, 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 D. So the same part. Yeah, finish. Now dimensions. So we'll delete this drawing information, and we will use the dimension now. Now the important dimensions we will give you here. And before dimension, I told you change the dimension style, and what we need, that I will say dimension style, DIMSTYLE, dim style. And here ISO 25, click on modify. So sometimes you can see this number, we can't see arrow. So here this dimension will give you the lines 3.75. You can visible, you can see this, or you can increase this, extend beyond dimension line. So this distance, it will be clear to you. You can increase it, or you can put it 1.5, doesn't matter. You can put it 0.6 or 1, offset from origin 1 milli. That is a dimension line offset from 1 milli. Arrows maybe size is 3 or 2.5. Mark again 3 or 2.5, and here 3 no problem, this no problem, 45 no problem. So this is important. Text you need to make have the text size 3 or 2.5, and nothing need to change anything. Okay, just only 3 things, and click on OK and close. Now view the linear dimension. So click here, there are different types of dimensions, and it is clear to you here from here. So linear, select from here, escape, click linear, and select here and here 42. So I will change the color line, it looks good. So make it here by layer and click the end point and say 42. Now nut bolt head thickness, click it here and click it here and here, it will give you the horizontal distance. Now diameter D, this is 28. Now again small d, minor diameter, or you can give it inside outside here. This is a minor diameter 14. Capital small d, sorry, I mean radius, this is 14 and this is correct, 11.9. If you see the small d, yes, 23.8, it is correct. So then we have nut thickness. I can give the nut thickness here from this to end 26.38. Is it correct? I have question. 20 nut thickness 24.5. 24.5. 70 by 8. 70 by 24.5. Let me see here. Delete. I think it is coming from here. Yes, this is the mistake now. So this part I don't need. So what I will do now, I will offset this line up 24.5, offset 24.5, enter. Yes, correct. Now I will extend this line, extend, see this line here and this line here. Yes, now above part I don't want, so this I will trim it. Trim. This is offset distance. I made mistake. Escape, and now I extend. See, now this will extend it up to the next line. If you double click, another next line. Yes. See, now if you do the dimension, click dimension, and now from this edge to this corner 24.5, it is correct. Now similarly here also I need to do, or I will do like this line and stretch it here, enter, and then trim. Yes, 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 and better trim, delete this because so many clicks, and extend, and click it here. Yes, click it here and outside. See, now this is 24.5. It's almost done. Finish. Is there any dimension remaining? You can see in the drawing. Yeah, angles. How to give the angles? Chamfer angle, thread runout angle. So you can see here. Chamfer angle. So click a linear, here angular. Select this line and select horizontal line and write it here. See, this very big. Escape. Now chamfer angle here with vertical or horizontal angle will be same because it is a 45, so I can make it here. Yeah, then thread runout angle is also important, so I will make the thread runout angle here. Click angle, this line with vertical here, and where you put it, it is important. Up, if you put it up or down. Yes, 30. Colors, then just save by your ID. Yes, next time I want to tell you, next time what I will do, I will tell you to create a PDF file and AutoCAD file. Okay, and just create a PDF file, so print as PDF. So how I can do that, see here. So here output, no, page setup manager, output page setup manager. So you can select modify, you can select printer, you can select a PDF, AutoCAD PDF, Microsoft Print PDF. You can select anything PDF, whatever you have. Select PDF, okay, and say okay. Okay, close. Now home, select this and select this, or print, and now in print you can select the name of the plotter. Nothing, no need. Microsoft PDF I selected already, PDF, and then plot to file, no display. So no display, select window. So click on window and select it here and click it on other corner, and now make it center the plot. And if you want this horizontal or vertical, you can make it this page A4 size, number of copies, and quality normal or best quality, maximum as display, and out to Microsoft PDF property. Okay, no need here. Okay, now preview. You can click on preview and you can see the drawing. Okay, and right click exit and you can say plot. Okay, now see the PDF file will be imported and I can write the ID lab exercise 3 and save. So this is replace it. Okay, yes. Okay, and save this file as same 2.3. Save. Yes. Class, and you can upload two files, one PDF and one AutoCAD on the Blackboard. Okay, so we'll stop here, close this AutoCAD window, and